Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some fixes for error 277 in Roblox on mobile. So the first thing that we want to do is actually go into our settings here, and once we have entered the settings, we will first search for Roblox. This is going to be solution 1. So we're going to search for Roblox. Make sure you click on it, and then here we want to check and uncheck this option. So cellular data, if we uncheck it and then check it back, this should make a difference. Also check and uncheck this option, background app refresh. So uncheck it and check it back on. So that's the first thing that we can do. See if Roblox works. If it still doesn't work and you get error 277, then we're gonna go back into settings, and this time we'll search for offload unused apps. So here from this list that loads, we want to find the Roblox application, click on it, and then select offload app and offload app. This is going to keep all of your information. It's not going to remove your account, and just click on reinstall after you have offloaded it. So it might take a little bit of time to reinstall depending on your internet connection, but it should be fairly quickly. It shouldn't be that long. Okay, and now I'm just gonna prove that Roblox works. As you can see, it opens up and it hasn't logged me out of my account or anything like that. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.